Now you don't need to create any documentation for your software manually. So here is a Guide AI tool that's gonna help you. So here we go. So first of all, type here guide.com. Guide.com website. Here's a double D in the guide. Okay. So now first of all, we need to install the Chrome extension. In the right side top, you can see the install free extension. Click on it and now click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Now it's done. Now make sure click on the extension icon here and just make sure this should be pinned like this. Now open the guide.com website here and just click on the login. And here you can see you have an option of sign up. Just click on it if you don't have an account and use the Google account or your email to sign up into this account. So once you sign up, your dashboard look like this. You can see in this dashboard, here's some multiple options like home, my guide, space, insight, activity feed, brand kit, and integration. So first I'm going to show you how to create how-to videos or documentation for your software. Whatever software you want to record. Suppose I have one software called App Inventor and this software create apps. So I want to create the documentation for how to create Hello World app with this software. Okay, so that Guide AI tool will create a documentation for my entire process. So how we can do this? So click on that extension and then describe here how to so I'm going to just say here how to create a Hello World app using MIT Inventor. Now you can see what are your captions. So you need to select. So I'm going to select the knowledge and documentation and click on start recording. And capture is about to start and is done. Now I'm going to go to the software. You can use the Canva or you can use any software where you want to create a documentation for that. So I'm going to use here the new project and just say here Hello World 3. So I created one simple app here. Okay. And that you can see at the bottom, you'll see the 3 screen records he added here. Now I'm going to just drag and drop label here. I'm going to just make it 40 or something and just say here Hello World. And I'm going to make that in the center like this. So I created a simple Hello World app. Now let's click on that guide app and just click on the done option. And go to the guide website and just wait some seconds and that will generate a documentation, a how-to video for you with the voice. Now you can see saving graphics, so it will take some seconds to complete that process. Now you can see in the left side, you will see here all the table of content. You can see we have everything here. And once you scroll down here, you will see here go to the website and you can see the screenshot. And the main thing is that another steps, we click on the new project. You can see he added one arrow and he highlighted the new project button also. So whenever you try to create a documentation, you have to do all that things manually. But that Guide AI tool will do everything for you. That's really amazing. Now, I'm going to just check that video. So click on the play button and let's see how that will work.
Learn how to create a basic Hello World app using MIT App Inventor. Follow these engaging steps to design your first simple.
Wow, amazing. Now I'm going to edit that video. So click on that edit button, edit video, and let's delete some steps. So suppose I don't want to add that interaction step. So just select that clip and click on delete step and it's done. Now you can change the voice also. So in the left side, we'll see the voice. Just select the edit speaker and you can choose anyone, like go to the all voice and you can see you can select anyone. You can select the gender like male, female. Let's suppose I'm female is like
don't record
this one. So I'm going to use the male one. Okay. And let's try to ban.
Don't record.
Okay, that's good. So I'm going to just select that language and I'm going to just click on the generate speaker. And now let's play that video. Let's see how that'll work.
Creating a new project. Name your project as Hello World 3.
Wow, fantastic. Now let's click on the done button. Okay. Now your documentation how-to video is just created. And you can see this is done. You can see every screenshot, highlights, and everything you'll see here. The top, you can see the share option. Click on it. And now you can click on the smart copy and you can share this as a HTML. You can use here the source code or you can copy to Notion or the other softwares. So this is really, really great tool to create a documentation for your softwares. So just click on cross. Now in the left side, you will see the multiple options here. Click on the integration and you can see they have a multiple tools like Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube to integrate with the Guide AI. That's really amazing. So the Guide AI tool have the multiple plans, like they have a free plan also. So you can create up to 25 how-to videos totally free of cost. You can choose their pro plan or the business plan or enterprise plan. If you want to create or if you want to export the videos or if you don't want to use the watermark, so you can use their pro or business plan to start creating the how-to videos. So this is all about it. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.